Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning. My name is Atika Intan Lokeswari. On this opportunity, I will presentation my research on title The Effect of the Entrepreneurship Courses Application on the Entrepreneurial Spirit of Agribusiness Student Batch 2018 at Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta University. Introduction. The term entrepreneurship is now a familiar one to hear. According to Zimmerer, reveals that entrepreneurship is a process of implementing both innovation and creativity carried out with the aim of finding opportunities and being able to solve problems faced by humans in everyday life. Entrepreneurship is one of the important subjects to be applied to agribusiness students. And then, many students have ideas for business, but they don't understand more deeply about the entrepreneurial spirit within them. So, they need knowledge and insight to be able to develop and expand their entrepreneurial spirit through entrepreneurship education. Students not only need the theoretical education, but also need trainings to encourage students to form mindset, attitudes, characters, and behaviors. Entrepreneurship is formed in a person through education or training. Entrepreneurship education or training becomes a link in the process of learning concept and skill to build enthusiasm and entrepreneurship. Literature review. Entrepreneurship education is a process in order to form entrepreneurial people in a sustainable and systematic manner, both formal and informal. Entrepreneurship education not only aims to improve certain skills but also to change attitude and soul in order to meet the criteria of entrepreneurial humans so that they can support some in entrepreneurship. And then entrepreneurial education factor. That the one of the factors affect entrepreneurship education has been considered to develop and foster entrepreneurial spirit, passion and behaviors among the younger generation, so that it takes a role in the world of education include university to shape and direct the interest and willingness of college graduates in order to develop and move entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurial spirit is a soul that can create added value that comes from limitation in effort to get business opportunities. Creating added value with the interest in entrepreneurship, someone will then do something. In the research method, there are 5 components that must be considered. First, research design. This research design uses qualitative research method. 2. Participant. Respondents who participate in this study were students of 2018 Agribusiness Muhammadiyah University of Yogyakarta. Instrument. This research was conducted by open interview and analysis of the data used in this paper in described in paragraph. Then procedure. Research informed respondent about the purpose, scope, and time commitment required to conduct the interview. Next, data analysis. During the interview, it was recorded with audio and then transcribed. Finding and discussion. First, student views on entrepreneurial spirit. Based on the interviews, the student who become respondents said that entrepreneurial spirit is a belief in a feeling or soul that has been embedded in a person. The entrepreneurial spirit itself can also create innovative and creative ideas that can create and develop a business with the ideas we already have has based on personal experience that most of them have tried to do business even though they are small in scale. They think that this is a form of their entrepreneurial spirit. Second, student views on entrepreneurship courses and the importance of studying entrepreneurship courses. Student assumes that entrepreneurship courses are courses that study how and the process of becoming successful entrepreneur. Studying the business that is the within us. Students also think that studying entrepreneurship courses is very useful as a basic and proficient to be able to develop the entrepreneurial spirit that exists within a person. By studying entrepreneurship courses, they can add knowledge to be used as proficient and in developing an entrepreneurial spirit in them to be able to establish a business well. According respondent 3, that entrepreneurship courses are courses that study how we become good and true entrepreneurs. In addition, studying entrepreneurship is important because by learning if we want to do business, we already have sufficient provision to make the business a better direction. Third, student views on the importance of entrepreneurship courses in the formation of an entrepreneurial spirit. The majority of students think that by studying entrepreneurship courses, it can shape the character of an entrepreneurial spirit in the form of attitude of behaviors such as being more confident, able to think critically, and learn about much better science. Entrepreneurship is not only realizing something new, but the form of ideas or action in the determining opportunity, but can be in the form of an entrepreneurial spirit. According respondent 1, that by studying entrepreneurship courses, we as beginners can be more confident about starting a business, as well as influencing the entrepreneurial spirit, such as convincing yourself to be entrepreneurial by starting new innovation that will be used as a business. And then conclusion. The effect of entrepreneurship courses is very important because by the studying entrepreneurship courses, it will affect our entrepreneurial spirit so that it can be realized as a business and can become successful entrepreneur. Enough here. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.